Numbers, they're crazy, right?
How did you know that?
The first 7 digits of pi.
I don't even know what to say.
Born in 1990?
Yes. How are you doing this? What? How could that possibly work?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you magic tricks with numbers.
Decimal points, high frequencies, bang, bang, bang.
In this video, you're gonna learn how to read someone's mind, accurately predict what number they're going to think of, and show off your skills as a math wizard. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button and let's go. Okay, I have a cool number trick to show you. So I want you to think of an odd number between 1 and 50, but make both the digits of the number odd,
Okay.
but different digits, like not the same digits,
Oh.
okay?
Okay.
You have a number in your
You
mind?
changed what I look to. Yeah.
Okay, I have a prediction written on the board right here. You have a number in your mind?
Yes.
What's the number?
37. I don't even know what to say. I changed it twice. How does that work?
Super easy explanation for this one. It's pretty much self-working. All you have to do is tell them to think of an odd number between 1 and 50 and make both the digits odd numbers. And tell them not to make both the numbers the same, like don't make it 33. So that actually narrows it down to only 8 different numbers between 1 and 50. 13, 15, 17, 19, 31, 35, 37, and 39. But our magic number here is 37. Almost every single time you ask someone this, they think of 37. Try it out at home and see what happens. Okay, I have a really cool number trick and you guys can follow along at home. So all you're gonna do is take 79 drinks, so 79 right here, minus your age. So V, what's your age?
29.
29, so 79 minus 29. So whatever your age is, put it right here and then get the product of it right here. The answer on yours is 50, right?
Yeah.
So then whatever your number is, add 40 to it.
Okay.
And that equals 90, which is the year of your birth. The last 2 digits of the year of your birth. Were you born in 1990?
Yes.
Right? So try it out at home using this equation and see if it works for you. Okay, this trick is called the addition prediction. So we're gonna do some math here on this whiteboard and I'm gonna need your help. I also have a prediction right here on the table underneath this diamond.
Okay.
So keep an eye on that, okay? So we're gonna start out. I'm going to write 4 random numbers here on the board. I'm gonna go with, say 4, 5, 7, and 1. And then I want you to think of any other 4 random numbers to write underneath this.
7, 2, 6, 8.
7, 2, 6, 8, okay? So I'm gonna write another 4 random numbers now.
Okay.
2, 7, 3, 1. All right, now you choose another 4 random numbers.
Can I do 1, 7, 4, 3.
4, 3. All right, and I'm gonna write another 4 random numbers, and we'll do 8, 2, 5, 6. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so we've now got a bunch of random numbers here on the board.
Okay.
So you totally chose those at random, right?
Yes, very
All
slowly.
right, so we're gonna add all of these up. Okay?
Okay.
So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, plus 6 is 19,
Yeah.
right?
So 9 carry the 1.
Boom.
Always carry.
So we got 8 plus the 6 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 4 is 21, plus 5 is 26,
Yep.
right?
6. Bring the 2.
So then 7 plus 2 is 9, plus another 7 is 16, plus another 7 would be 23, 25. Yeah, so carry the 2, and then 6,
13. It's 24.
24. All right, cool.
7, 8, 9, 10,
So we got $24,560.
dollars!
All right,
I
so
win!
that was totally random, right? Like this.
Yeah.
All right, you picked totally random numbers, right? So check this out. I have a
Oh, I
prediction.
forgot
right
about this. There is no way.
here. Check it out. Look. Ready?
Are you kidding me? How does that work? Okay, I would love to know how to do that one. That was cool. I want to show everybody. How did you do that?
All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's the secret to the addition prediction trick. This is absolutely amazing when people see it live. It works really well in front of a large audience too. So you write a prediction on a slip of paper, you're gonna fold this up, you can have an audience member hold it the whole time, or you can put it underneath something. Here's how you're gonna get to that number every single time, no matter what numbers they pick. So you're gonna start out with these numbers, and you know you're gonna write this every single time. Then no matter what they pick, we're gonna make these add up to 9. So I'm going to base my next row of numbers on whatever they chose. So since here they picked 6, I'm going to write 3, so they'll add up to 9. So like 3 and 6 are 9. So I want this to add up to 9 as well. So I'm gonna add 7 here, and then here with the 5, I'm gonna add a 4. As you can see, all the number groups are gonna add up to 9. So you don't say that, you just write as if you're making a random number, and then you have them write any other random series of numbers they want. So let's say they do 2, 9, 3, 5. And then you're just gonna add up to 9 again. So the last row of numbers, 7, this would be 0 if it's already a 9. You're gonna do the 3, and then that's gonna be a 6, and then a 4 here. Now you're gonna draw a line, and you're gonna add all of these up. Now because you added up both of these groups of numbers to be 9s, you know that this is going to equal 19,998. And when you know what your original number is, you know that it's always going to equal this right here. So you can write your prediction beforehand and blow people's minds as if you somehow knew what this number was going to be beforehand when they seemingly picked random numbers the entire time. Okay, cool card trick to show you. All right, so just think of any card in the deck. Just name it out loud.
Jack of Hearts.
Jack of Hearts. Okay, check this out. So I'm gonna sit the deck down right here. Just think of any number between 1 and 52. Keep the Jack of Hearts in your mind.
11.
11? Okay,
11.
Cool. So check this out. We're going to deal 11 cards down in the deck. All right, check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? All right, so you could have, if you would have said 10, it wouldn't have been the card, right?
No.
It was a 2 of spades. And if you would have said
12.
12, it wouldn't have been the card. It's a 9 of clubs. But you said 11, right?
Yes.
And you said
There's no
Jack of Hearts, right?
Yes.
Watch, check this out.
How are you doing this? These things.
So this is the only card trick in this video, but it is a really good one. This is called any card at any number. So there's a lot of different ways to do this trick, but here's an easy handling that you can do. This uses a technique called base dealing or bottom dealing, where you're going to deal a card off the bottom of the deck and make it look like you're dealing off the top. So as you're dealing cards off the top like this, you're just gonna slide that one off the bottom at the same speed. So all you have to do is position whatever card they pick on the bottom of the deck, and then no matter what number they say, you can just deal down that number of cards, and however many they say, at that number you're gonna base deal their card onto the pile. So let's say it's the 7 of diamonds and they pick the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. Okay, I've got my little chalkboard here. So I want you to think of any number between 1 through 9. What is it?
7.
7? Think of a number lower than 7.
4.
4. Okay. 4, number lower than 4?
1.
1. Alright, so 741. Alright, so we're going to reverse that and it becomes 147, right?
Okay.
So subtract that, so we get 594.
Okay.
So now we take the 594 and we're going to reverse that and it becomes 495, right?
Yeah.
Now instead of subtracting, we're going to add and we get 1089, right?
Yeah.
That was totally random, right? You totally randomly picked these numbers initially?
Yeah.
Okay, now check this out. I turn this around.
What? I can't even. It's numbers. I don't know.
Numbers, they're crazy, right?
What?
Okay, here's how you do this one. It's super easy and pretty much self-working. So you're gonna have them think of any number 1 through 9. If they pick a low number like 1 or 2, you wanna tell them to think of a higher number. So let's say in this case they picked 7. So then you're gonna ask them to think of another number that's lower than 7. Let's say in this case they go with 5. Think of another number lower than 5. Let's say they go with a 2. So 752, you're then gonna reverse this to 57 and subtract it from the original number. So then you get 495 as a result of that subtraction. subtraction, and then you're gonna reverse this number, you get 594, and you're gonna do addition on this one. So reverse whatever this is, and then add them up, and every single time it will equal 1089. Try it out with 3 random numbers at home and see if it works for you.
Right, Ava, I'm gonna jot down a prediction on this piece of paper.
Okay.
Prediction written. Think of any number between 1 and 20.
12.
12? Okay, check this out.
Alright, how'd you do it?
I'll show you.
Okay, here is the secret to the magic prediction trick. This is one of the easiest ways to do a prediction trick. This is a magic boon writer. This is a little fake thumb tip. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com. There's a little pencil lead built into it just like that. You wear this on your thumb. Nobody ever sees it. You hold the notepad in your hand, and then no matter what they say, you just write it. So say they think of 7, you're just gonna jot it down using your thumb just like that. Super easy to do. Pick one up today at EvanEraTV.com or leave a comment and you can win one at the end of the video. Okay, check this out. Look in the mirror and you can see what's on my whiteboard. It looks like it says pi, P-I-E. But what it actually says, if you look at the actual whiteboard, is 3.14. Now everyone knows pi is 3.14, which is of course a mathematical constant. And in the mirror it looks like pi, but you can actually remember the first 7 digits of pi with this sentence. So there's 3 digits in the word how, there's 1 in the word I, there's 4 in the word wish, 1 in the word I, 5 in the word could, 9 in the word calculate, and 2 in the word pi. So the sentence how I wish I could calculate pi equals 3.141592, the first 7 digits of pi. Okay, I have a cool number trick to show you. Got my little chalkboard here. So think of any 3-digit number where all the digits are the same, like 111. So any 3-digit number like that, like 111, 222. What do you want to think of?
777.
777. Random, right? Yes. 777. I didn't influence you to think of that, right? All right, so if we add all of those together, it equals 71421, right? Yeah. So if we take 777 and divide it by 21, 37. So that is our special number. Now this was completely random. I did not make you pick these numbers in any way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we came up with 37. Check this out. I made a prediction before we started.
How did you know that?
Crazy. All right, the craziest thing about this is you could have picked any number. So anytime you take a 3-digit number like this, 777, 333, 444, 666, and you add up the digits and then divide it, the original number by that, it equals 37 every time. Aren't numbers crazy?
Yay!
Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share it with someone you think might like it as well. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We make a new magic video like this every single week. And it's time for this week's giveaway. I'm giving away the Magic Boon Writer to 10 lucky comments in the comment section on this video. All you have to do to win is leave a comment in the comment section down below and give the video a thumbs up. Today's keyword is numbers. Leave a comment in the comment section. I read all of them. Leave as many comments as you want. In fact, the more comments you leave, the better your chances of winning the giveaway. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments down below. Be sure to check out EvanEraTV.com. There's a link in the description. That is our online shop. We have a ton of really cool magic merch, super cool tricks, and we ship everything all over the world. Again, that is EvanEraTV.com. There is a link in the top of the description of this video. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.